Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the quality timber easily in Heartopia. Quality timber is really useful for crafting furniture and other items. And so where you can get it, first just look for the trees without fruit. When you can And when you chop down these trees, you can usually get one quality timber. But if you want to collect more quality timber faster, just head over to the forest area, these locations over here, near the forest lake, this one. And then just find these trees, like this. I'm not sure if this is a pine tree or not, but yeah, the trees that looks like this, like this. And then next just equip your axe like this, and then just chop down the trees like this. Like this you will get the quality timber. Like this you can get one to two quality timber. Like this. In this area you can get one to two quality timber from each tree, which makes farming much more efficient. And okay, that's it. That's how you can get quality timber in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.